maze is way too hard. I asked the computer to help me solve it, but the computer can only try one path at a time. If it picks the wrong path, it has to back up and start over. This is going to take forever, and my computer is about to start smoking. Ding! Classical computing batterneck detected. Mid to long form hardcore teardown mode engaged. To solve universe-level problems, we must break traditional rules. Target locked. Quantum computer! Wow, what a gorgeous giant golden chandelier! And it's actually a computer? Hurry, take me to tear it apart and see. So the real name of this golden chandelier is a dilution refrigerator. Don't let its shiny, rich golden exterior fool you. This is actually the coldest supergiant fridge in the entire universe. Normal computers are afraid of heat, but quantum computers are extremely afraid of noise. Even the tiniest bit of temperature body feels like a massive earthquake to a tiny quantum. To get the quantums to quiet down, scientists use special helium gas to freeze the very bottom layer close to absolute zero. It is 100 times colder here than in outer space where the sun doesn't shine. Only in absolute silence and extreme cold can quantum magic appear. A regular computer is just like this coin sitting on the table. It is either heads, 1, or tails 0. It can only represent one definite state. Look, everyone. When the quantum coin is spinning, can you tell if it's heads or tails? It is heads and tails at the exact same time. This magical state of being both 0 and 1 simultaneously is called superposition in physics. This is the quantum computer's ultimate super move, parallel computing. It can exist in many states at the same time. Especially try path 1 by 1. Instead, it creates clones to walk down every single dead end simultaneously, finding the correct exit in just 1 second. Kids, when facing global warming, incurable viruses, or even the secret codes to the origin of the universe, a traditional computer couldn't figure it out even if it calculated for 1,000,000 years.
But human wisdom is infinite.
When the old rules hit a dead end, scientists didn't stubbornly bang their heads against the wall. Instead, they braves into the microscopic quantum world, using the Logi Dindafound superdings to forge a
brand new key to computing power.
When you hit a dead end you can't escape, try breaking the rules like a quantum. If you had a quantum computer that could solve any puzzle in 1 second, what problem would you want it to solve for you? Tell Bobo in the comments. Long-form hardcore teardowns. See you next episode. Bye-bye.